Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you my work from home setup. As you know, I started a new job not too long ago. I think I'm coming up on my 1 month anniversary, which is really exciting. But because of that, I've been working from home, and because of COVID, I've been working remotely. So I thought today in this video would be fun just to show you how I've been setting up my desk. I will mention that of course I've only been working for a month, so I feel like this setup is going to change and there are a few things that I want to get and add to it, so I'll definitely be doing an updated one in the next few months. But for now, this is what my desk looks like. It's very realistic. It's nothing over the top. My desk isn't super huge. It is the Mickey desk from IKEA, so I'll have it linked in the bio. So I don't have a super huge space when it comes to my desk, so I have to be pretty minimalistic. But yeah, I just thought it would be fun to show you. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment and all that stuff, and be sure to follow me on all my social medias, which I'll have linked in the bio. But with all that being said, let me show you my work from home desk setup. So let's go ahead and right off the bat, this is what my desk looks like. It's pretty minimalistic, where I'm trying to keep it that way. As I mentioned in the beginning, this desk is the Mickey desk from IKEA, so it's not super big, but it's also not completely tiny, so I do have to be a little bit careful when it comes to organizing my space. But right off the bat, you'll notice that the lighting here isn't super bright. I actually have been really liking it thus far, just because it's not as harsh on my eyes. Also, it is about evening time right now, so the lighting is usually a lot brighter in this room. So yeah, but in the back I have this light from Amazon. It is a little bit annoying to have my laptop blocking it, but it works for now. And it's a motion censored light, so I just tap it 3 times. And it has a lot of different brightnesses. This is the brightest white, but there also has like a beige-ish kind of white light. Next I have my company laptop that they sent me, which was really nice, to have a work laptop and a personal laptop, just so that I can distinguish between the two. This is a MacBook Pro 2019. So in case you were wondering. Okay, next I have my monitor, which I just set up today. It was a bit of a struggle, but this is a Dell monitor, so it just mirrors my MacBook screen, which is really nice to have 2 separate screens, especially if you're splitting between Zoom calls and just like regular work stuff. Behind that I have my pens that I keep in here, just a bunch of highlighters, pens, scissors, USB cards, all of that stuff I keep behind here. In the back that I forgot to mention as well is I do have a little storage compartment over there, which I keep my planner, my Kindle, some receipts, staples, all that jazz, which is not the most ideal place to keep it, I will be honest, but I don't know where else I can put it in this space. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Okay, so what else is on my desk is I do have a wireless keyboard, which came in the mail yesterday, so I'm still trying to figure out how to set this up. Because this is a MacBook 2019, it doesn't have a USB port, so I do have to order a cord for that, but it's a super cute pink keyboard and it feels really nice, very aesthetic. So love that. And it also came with a wireless mouse as well. The company that I got it from on Amazon also came with a mouse pad, but it doesn't really go with my whole desk vibe, I feel like, so I'm just gonna keep it for the fall because it's about like a fall theme. But yeah, just have a wireless keyboard and a mouse. At the bottom I just have hand cream, cuticle oil, and lip balm because you always need that. And then behind that I just have a bunch of paper clips and that sort of stuff. Behind there I have a water container for my diffuser in my room and the remote for my LED lights. On top I have some books. 2 of these I got at the beginning of the school year. The first is just Forgotten Women in History, and the second is obviously Bad Girls Throughout History, which I thought was really cool to have on my desk. I have a coaster, which I also got from Amazon not that long ago, my chlorophyll water, gum, my eyeglasses, cleaner, and a plant. On top, I have my other glasses that I have here, another candle, and more plants, of course. And on top, I have my letterboard, which I haven't changed the quote in a long time, which I feel like I should, but I just have my quote there, more plants, candles, and my graduation photo. And on top of there, we also have another shelf where I also keep a little bit of stuff, not too much, because like I said, I'm trying to keep it pretty minimalistic. The first is just this figurine that I got from Home Sense, I want to say, and it's just the human mind and has a bunch of like outlines of the human mind. I have a stack of coasters, like I mentioned, that I got the other day, and another hanging plant. And finally, on this wall, I have some like vintage postcard-y posters. I got these from Zazzle, I want to say, and they were pretty decent price. So I just have Budapest, London, Prague, and Venice, and these are all places that I actually have been, so it's not like I just randomly have them there. And then here I have a little hanging magazine holder. This I think I got from Home Sense, but the color wasn't the vibe that I was going for, so I spray painted it last summer. And inside I just have the cover, the Vogue cover with Simone Biles on it, because she's by far one of my favorite athletes ever. So I have that here. And then I have my desk chair, of course, which I got a long time ago. I want to say at Staples. It works fine, it rolls, it's good. I feel I'm probably due for a new chair though, because I have had this probably since I was in grade school, which is pretty funny. And so similar to most of the IKEA desks, I just have a bunch of shelves that just have random stuff in it. I'm not going to go through it because this isn't really a super in-depth desk tour. It's just kind of an overview of what my work from home desk looks like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It was pretty quick run through, but again, this is just an overview of what my desk looks like. So that's the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like it was a pretty short one, but like I mentioned before, I like to keep my desk pretty simple because there is not that much space, as you could probably tell. But if you have been working at home or doing school from home and you have any suggestions or products that you think I might need, or any life hacks when it comes to working at home to make the space as comfortable and productive as possible, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know your suggestions because I'm obviously still very new at this. But yes, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and like I mentioned before, be sure to subscribe to this channel. It really helped me out, and be sure to follow me on all of my social medias, which I will have in the bio. But with all that being said, I hope you guys have a lovely afternoon, because it is afternoon when I film this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.